In this video tutorial, we will continue to study the proportions and facial features of head and face using the Loomis method. Loomis method drawing is easy to understand for beginners, so don't skip the video and try to understand the drawing steps, the proportions of the parts on the face in side view. Okay, so let's start the lesson. To understand this video, if you haven't watched the last video, please watch the video I just showed you. You can directly click on the video link in the description. In the last video, according to the Loomis method, when drawing the proportions of the human face and head seen from the front, you must have known that the basic shape of the cranium was drawn based on a circle. When drawing the side view of the face, it is drawn based on two circles instead of one circle. Are you confused? Don't worry, I will explain it in an easy to understand way. Number 1. Understanding side plate of Loomis. According to the Loomis method, when drawing various human face, the proportions of the faces are drawn based on a sphere, but that is not the full form of the entire sphere. It's just a small disc, 3 parts cut off. When viewed from the front, the cut disc looks like this, and when viewed from the side, it should look like this. Why Loomis used this cut disc will be explained by anatomy. According to the bone structure of the head, you will see 3 bones on the side of the skull when viewed from the front: frontal bone, parietal bone, and temporal bone. That area where these 3 bones are connected will be seen from the front with a slight valley inward and inclined upward. Therefore, Loomis describes the valley on the side of the head, where the bones are attached as a sphere cut on the side. Viewed from the side of the skull, where these 3 bones attach, the surface is fully circular and small. The inner circle touches the zygomatic bone and includes the sphenoid bone. Number 2. Measurement and proportion. To draw a side view of the face, you must draw 2 lines through the center of the circle. The vertical line is the center of face when side view of head, and the horizontal line is the eyebrow line. The inner circle is located at a distance of 1/3 of the outer circle. Number 3. Dividing and proportion of head. The top of the small inner circle is in line with the hairline, the middle is the eyebrow line, and the bottom of the inner circle is touching the nose line. Number 4. Proportion of side view. If you continue to draw downwards according to the distance between the eyebrow line and the nose line, you should have a chin line. These lines represent the bottom of the face. These 3 lines are equidistant. Number 5. Center of eye. To find the center of the eye line, draw a line from the top of the head to the chin and divide it into 2 equal parts. The center of line is the middle line of the eye. Number 6. Proportion of eye. Draw a line halfway between the outer circle and the inner circle, and it touches the middle line of the eye is the point where it at the edge of iris when viewed from the side of face. Divide between the center line of eye and halfway line of the 2 circle into 3 equal parts. From the side view, the 2-part area is the corner of the eye. Number 7. Proportion of nose. In addition, if you draw a line in front of the square box half the distance from the inner circle, it is the width of the side of the nose that will be seen from the side of the face. The bottom of the nose and the bottom of the ears are in the same row. Number 8. Proportion of mouth. Between the line of the nose and the line of the chin, it is divided into 3 equal parts. The upper part is the place where the two lips touch, which is the middle line of the mouth. The bottom line of the square box is the David line of the side view of the face. In other words, it is the place where the chin and the mouth meet and go into the valley. From the side view, the innermost corner of the lips and the edge of the iris are on the same line. Number 9. Proportion of ear. The area between the center of the face and the inner circle and the point where it touches the eyebrow line is the tip of the ear that is tilted and curved. The back edge of the ear is curved, bordering 1/3 part of the space between the two lines. The bottom of the ear is not touching the middle line of the face, curve inward and touching the back of midline of the face. Draw a line halfway between the center line of the face and one side of the small circle. Then divide the line halfway between that line and the center of the face, and the place where it touches the bottom line of the square is the place where the jaw angle is curved. The curved top of the ear, the bottom of the ear, and the curved angle of the jaw have a straight and slanted shape when viewed from the side of the face. Number 10. Location of the jaw in side view. When seen from the side of the face, the jaw continues to slant towards the chin. The end of the jaw may appear to touch the base of the ear due to its wrinkled structure, but it actually touches the ear line and is behind the middle third of the face between the eyebrow line and the nose line. The area where the jaw and chin join is on the same line as half the width of the eye when viewed from the side of the face. Number 11. The most important of all. Any drawing method other than the Loomis method cannot be defined as always correct. When you draw, you will encounter a variety of people's faces and viewpoints, so you need to practice basic drawing techniques well. Drawing technique is just something you practice to help make your drawing easier and faster. These are the same as the guide, so the practice is up to you. So if you want to learn how to draw human faces freehand, I recommend you to practice more. Thank you for watching the video. I am HK3. See you in the next video.